Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a taco salad. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for watching today. This is Chef John Politte. If this is your first time watching this show, please do me a favor, go down and hit that subscribe button and then hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, well you've clicked on this video to watch me show you how to make a taco salad. So let's head into the kitchen and see what our ingredients are. We're going to start out with about 2 pounds of ground beef, about a half a cup of cheddar cheese, 1 bag of Doritos, small bag, 2 ounces of salsa, your own choice on this. I will talk about the salsa more after we get through this. 2 ounces of Thousand Island dressing, 2 ounces of sour cream for the garnish, 1 15-ounce can of red beans drained well. You can use any kind of canned beans you want or fresh beans. And then any type of lettuce you want. We've got some chopped romaine here that we're going to use, but you can use any type of lettuce that you prefer. So let's head into the kitchen. Not a lot of prep on this. We just got to cook off this ground beef and then assemble the salad. So let's head on in and start doing that. All right, what we're going to do is we are going to brown off our ground beef, and then we're going to add our taco seasoning to it. I don't have taco seasoning. I actually produce my own. This is Chef Politte's chili seasoning and dry smoke rub. You can find it down in my Etsy shop. That's down in the description box there. There's a link for it. This also works very well for a taco seasoning as well as a chili seasoning. If you want to, go ahead and check that link out and just browse the store. I would appreciate it very much. But we're just going to continue to let this cook up before we add that seasoning. Alright, we're about halfway through this, so I am going to go ahead and add our chili seasoning and dry smoke rub, aka taco seasoning. It's about 2 tablespoons right there, which is adequate for the seasoning that we want for this dish. And I'm just going to stir this all up, get it well incorporated with the meat. Oh, that does smell good. And we're just going to cover that up and let it continue to cook until it's completely done. Our taco meat is done. I have a completely different spoon because we use the other one to work with the raw ground beef. So we've got cooked ground beef, totally different spoon, to ensure that we have no cross-contamination. Now I'm going to shut this off. We are going to transition. Wow, I'm having a trouble. There we go. Whoop, there we go again. Okay, let's set it right there. All right. All right, what we're going to do now is we're going to transition over to our bowl over here, and we're going to mix up our salad. I got our romaine right here. Remember, this recipe is in the description box, but it is kind of hit or miss with the amount of yield that we're going to have for this. I'm making 1 taco salad here. That looks like a lot of lettuce, but once we add all the ingredients and mix it up, it'll kind of shrink. So don't think that that's a lot or over proportionate. So we've got our lettuce. Now I'm going to take about a spoonful of this, a little bit more. That smells really good with that seasoning, by the way. We're going to add that to it. Then we're going to add our salsa. And I just want to add something about this salsa. This is the brand that I'm using today. I don't know if you can get this in focus here, hopefully. This is called Mexican Villa. Very hot sauce. It was a gift from John Rivera over at the Rivet Gardener. John, I want to thank you for this. I'm also going to leave a link down in the description box for this salsa. It's very, very good. Now the I've got the Thousand Island dressing that we're going to add in there as well, right on top of the salsa. This is what makes my version of this very unique. We're going to add our rinsed drained beans. Again, you can add any kind of bean you want, black bean, pinto bean, kidney bean, or bonzo beans are actually my favorite. I love those in my taco salad. And then we're going to take our Doritos, and I'm just going to crush them up actually, throw them right in there. You can use corn chips or Cool Ranch, whatever you want to use. And now what I'm going to do is we're going to take a pair of tongs And we are just gonna mix this all up. Oh, that smells really, really good with all the different smells and flavors coming out of there. All right, well, there is our taco salad. What we're gonna do now is I'm gonna plate this up, make it all pretty. We're gonna take a lot of pictures of it for social media, put those pictures up on the timeline with some groovy music, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna give this a taste. So enjoy the pictures and enjoy the music. Here's our taco salad. I did it with some sour cream and a little bit of some green onion on there. Got our beans, our cheese, our lettuce, our meat, salsa, and our Thousand Island blended in as well. Now we're gonna hit the other shot here with our taste shot. Let's transition. There's our taco salad again, before we destroy it with our taste test. Getting a ton of flavor out of there. The meat, of course, with the taco seasoning in there is fantastic. Shameful plug, I know. But you get that salsa and the Thousand Island combination makes very unique flavor for it. The crunchiness of the Doritos in there, the smoothness of the cheese and the sour cream. You got the bite from the Doritos, also got a little bit of that because it's the nacho cheese one. And then my seasoning's got a little kick to it too. A lot of stuff going on in there, a lot of textures and flavors. Can't say enough about it. One thing I do want to add is there's a lot of things you can add to your taco salads, just like you would tacos. You jalapenos, olives, guacamole, onions, tomatoes, corn, lime juice. There's a ton of stuff you can do. So please don't get too excited that I didn't add a lot of stuff to this. I just kind of kept it simple. So I'm going to say let's transfer over to our closing sequence. Thanks a lot for watching. We made a taco salad. Hey, I appreciate you watching today. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to check out the description box on your way out. Not only does it contain the recipe for this show, but it also has a bunch of groovy links. I have a gourmet seasoning shop on Etsy and also have a cookbook on sale. Those links are down there. Don't forget to check out the playlists I've got down there for how to create a cooking show on YouTube, and also a playlist link for how to improve your channel and help it grow. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already, and then make sure you share this video with everyone that you know. Take care of yourself. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.